Good afternoon, sir, and welcome to the last lap of my project, which was assignment 4, the last assignment based on the coffee table. Coffee table for the purpose of Bunimono High School for the admin office. This is my last project. I had brought it at home to do the finishing work of varnishing due to the unavailability of the classrooms at my school, and just to show my friends and families on my project which I've been doing at school, a coffee table, to make it more marketable, so that in future I can get some orders for as a private job to do the coffee tables. So yesterday afternoon I had brought it home, since today was my holiday, school was closed, so I decided to varnish the coffee table which I did in school. So as it is, the various timbers have been used. Mahogany, pine, and a small piece of Oregon was also used. Basically, the coffee table was about to teach the students of Bunimono High School on the use of waste wood utilization, since I observed there was a lot of wastage of timbers from our teachers, the woodwork teachers. As part of their projects, they used to cut the offcuts and throw it away, which I had asked the students to collect it and to make a coffee table for a reasonable size. The amount of waste which I collected was able to cater for my project. Basically, while doing the project, I have learned a lot of new things, whereby some of the things I didn't know, especially about the various neatness, the lamination methods, which I was able to teach my year 9 on the timber lamination. I will be also uploading the laminating photos and the pictures of all views of my project, and also the type of hand tools which I have used and the machine. Also, as part of this coffee table, I have used a plyboard where I have laminated the timbers using the glue, the PVA wood glue, and small panel pins from the base where the pictures will be uploaded in the Word document. And also the joints, riveted joints, have been used in order for the rails to fit together. And lastly, the dowel joint for the legs, to join the legs with the stiles. The dowel joint have been used. And here is the look view of my coffee table, which is been ready after the varnish just few minutes ago, where I have varnished the coffee table. And here is the different views which I am going to show. This is the top view of the coffee table. As you can see, the timbers which have been used are waste wood utilization project. Basically the different timbers are there: mahogany, the pine, and in the middle there is a Oregon. I have used these waste woods basically to teach the students on the use of timbers and its advantages, especially on the grain structure, where I was able to get a good grain structure for the tabletop, whereby it has become a really attractive to all my friends and families, also to the students of my school, where they were really attracted to this grain structure. They were able to see the different grain structure for different timbers. It has been sanded properly and a clear varnish with a small amount of Indian teak stain which was used. The Indian teak stain which was used to throw up the grain structure more clearly of pine timber. Here are the different views. The top, the face is the tabletop. Then we have the side view, end views, the side. As you can see, the dowel joint have been used. The two dowel joints which have been used each side, they have been used as two dowel joints to make it more strong and durable to last longer. Then we have the bottom view, the rail structure, the rebated butt joint, the timber was ribbed approximately 6 mm, and also it was rebated to 6 mm so that both of them can fit together. The type of timber which I have used here is pine, and the grain structure is really marvelous. As we can see, it has also attracted people and the buyers also. This was properly sanded by my students and with me, whereby my students also learned a lot of things on the timber process. The tabletop was designed by me and it was marked by me also. The casters will be fitted later on, as in the Nakasi hardware the casters were not available. It would have been used for the easy movements. Basically, while constructing this coffee table, there are some of the important safety equipments which were used, and the students were also able to explore themselves by looking at me while I were conducting my practical during my free classes. They were able to witness the type of safety equipments our teacher uses to even conduct his own practical class to prepare a coffee table, so that in future the students also do the same thing when they do their practicals or do their projects. They also apply the knowledge on safety. The pictures will be uploaded in the assignment the part 2 section, whereby the uploading of pictures will be done of all views, and also some of the pictures where I will be gluing the timber, and also the varnishing process will also be involved, all the pictures. As to conclude this project, I basically would like to thank our lecturer, USP lecturer, Mr. David. Your notes and your lectures have really helped me in producing a quality and durable product. I would really like to thank the lectures, the tutorials, the notes.